we have two curves. First, we have equation of circle. The center is 6, 0, and the radius is 6. To find intersection points, we will substitute y squared by 6x. So we have x minus 6 square plus 6x is equal 36. We have to take to second power first expression, so it will be x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus 6x. I will move 36 to the left side, so it will be negative 36 is equal 0. Negative 36 and positive will reduce, and we have x squared minus 6x is equal 0. Now we can factorize x, and we have x minus 6 in parentheses. So we have x equals 0 or x is equal 6. We have x. Now we can find the y coordinates. For x equals 0, we will have y is equal 6 times 0 is 0. And for x equals 6, we will have y is equal 6 times 6 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6 or negative 6. We have 3 intersection points. So now let me draw these curves. We have y, x axis, and we have points of intersection 0, 0, and we have 6, 6. So let's choose small units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have point 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our second and third point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is negative 6. So we have points of intersection. We have to draw first curve, a circle. The center is 6, 0. So let me draw this. It's approximately something like this. This should be circle. This is our circle. And next we have y squared equals 6x. This is parabola, which is symmetric about x-axis. For x equals 0, we have 0. Now we have to check which curve is upper, which is lower. So let's choose for x equals 4. We will have y squared is equal 6 times 4. This is 24. So y is equal plus minus square root of 24. This is equal approximately plus minus 4.9. And now let's check what will be for x equals 4 for our circle, the value of y. It will be 4 minus 6. I substitute x by 4 to equation of circle. So we have to second power plus y squared is equal 36. So we have 4 minus 6 is 2, negative 2 to second power is 4. And we will have plus y squared is equal 36. So y squared is equal 36 minus 4 is 32. So y is equal plus minus square root of 32. Square root of 32 is equal 5.6 approximately. We have plus minus. So we see that for x equals 4, we will have for our parabola value for almost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But is less than the value of our circle, because for 4 we have value 5 something. So our parabola is lower than our circle. Should be something like this. And the same will be in the fourth quadrant. This is our parabola. The circle should be something like this. Let me use different color. Our parabola is red. This is y square equals 6x. And our circle is purple, and our circle is x minus 6 square plus y square equals 36. So we got two areas. This is our area which we have to find, and above we have the same area. So now we have to calculate this area. We have this area between interval from 0 to 6. So we have that our area is equal 2 times integral from 0 to 6, and now we have to take the upper function minus the lower function. Upper function is circle, but because we do our integral with respect to x, so I have to find y from this equation. So y is equal plus minus square root of 36 minus x minus 6 to second power. Because we will do only the area which is above, and we multiply by 2 because this area will be the same, so we need this part only. This part has positive values. So let me put this, that y is equal positive square root of 36 minus x minus 6 to second power. And the same will be with our parabola. Parabola has equation y square equals 6x. So this part is above x-axis, so we have y is equal square root of 6x. This is our parabola. So now we have to subtract from the upper function the lower function. So we have square root of 36 minus x minus 6 to second power minus square root of 6x with respect to x. This is equal, we have 2 times, and in brackets I will rewrite our integral of difference to difference of integrals. So it will be integral from 0 to 6 of square root of 36 minus x minus 6 to second power dx minus integral from 0 to 6 of square root of 6x dx. The second integral is very easy. To solve this first integral, we will use formula that integral of square root of a square minus u square du is equal u over 2 square root of a square minus u square plus a square over 2 arc sine of u over a. This is indefinite integral, so we have plus c. So in our example, a is equal 6 and u is equal x minus 6. So let's do our first integral. Let me copy this. We have integral from 0 to 6 of, I can put, this is 6 to second power minus, and we have x minus 6 to second power dx. This is equal, u is equal x minus 6. So we have x minus 6 over 2 square root of 6 square minus x minus 6 to second power plus, and we have 6 square over 2 arc sine of x minus 6 over 6. And we have integral, definite integral, so now we have to plug limits from 0 to 6. We have, so this is equal, when we substitute in first expression x by 6, we will have 0. 0 times this expression give me 0, so we don't have to write this. And next we have 6 to second power over 2 arc sine of will be 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 over 6 will be 0, and arc sine of 0 is 0. So for upper limit, this first and second expression will be 0. We don't have to write this. So now we have to plug the lower limit, 0. So we have to put negative sign, and we have 0 minus 6 over 2 times square root of 6 square minus 0 minus 6 is minus 6 to second power, and we have plus 6 to second power is 36 over 2, and we have arc sine of will be 0 minus 6 is negative 6 over 6. So this is equal. In first expression we see that under square root we will have 36 minus 36, so it's 0. 0 times this whole expression give me 0. So we have only 36 over 2 arc sine of negative 1. And we know that arc sine of negative 1 is equal negative pi over 2. So we have 36 over 2 times negative pi over 2. So this is equal, we can reduce 36 and 2, of course, this is 18, and now 18 with 2 will be 9. So this is equal negative 9 pi. Of course, I forgot that we have here negative sign because we subtract the lower limit. So we have negative, and now will be negative, and negative give me positive. So we have 9 pi. Next, we have to come back to our area. We have 2 times first integral we solved, so we have 2 times, and in brackets will be 9 pi, and we have minus, and now we have integral of Square root of 6x. Square root of 6 is square root of 6, and we have integral of x to 1/2 power, so this is x to power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, and we have integration limits from 0 to 6, so this is equal 2 times, and in brackets we have 9 pi minus square root of 6 times 2 over 3, and we have x to power 3 over 2. We have limits from 0 to 6, so this is equal, we copy 2 times 9 pi, and we have here minus 2 square root of 6 over 3, and now we have to plug upper limit only because for 0 we will have 0. This whole expression will be 0, we don't have to write. So we have x to power 3 over 2, so it will be square root of 6 to third power. So this is equal we have 2 times 9 pi minus, and now we have 2 square root of 6 over 3 times square root of 6 to third power is 6 times square root of 6. So this is equal. We can reduce 3 with 6, will be 2. So we have 2 times 9 pi minus will be 2 times 2 is 4 times square root of 6 times square root of 6 is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. So this is my solution. This is our area.